Well, welcome everybody to my cooking channel. This is my first video that I'm making. So if I kind of stumble around a little bit, it's because I'm not used to it, but it'll be alright. And it'll still be good cooking, good eating, so don't worry about the stumbling. But tonight what we're going to make is the cauliflower crust pizza. Healthy alternative to your regular pizza crust. And I didn't know that I would like it, but it is amazing, especially when you think that I can have a whole pizza, probably a 10 or 11 inch pizza, probably 10 inch, myself. The whole thing for me, and losing weight like I did with that, but then maintaining it, I can have that and add toppings to it. So what I'm going to do first is to make the crust is we're going to get 1 cup of cauliflower. We're going to cauliflower rice, or riced cauliflower is what they'll call it in the store. You can get it frozen, but I don't recommend it because you have to thaw it out. One, it takes longer, but then another, it's got too much moisture in it, so when it does get thawed, you've got it's just a lot of water, a lot of moisture in it. It just doesn't turn out really good. But if you break the cauliflower up in small pieces, you've got one of those little peanut choppers is all you really need. If you're doing it just for one by yourself, you fill this about full with small pieces. You got to do it small pieces on these of cauliflower, and then we'll chop it up. We'll get 1 cup of riced cauliflower. Do that real quick, and then we'll add the other things to it. I've been on this health journey for September. Started September, so however long ago that was. And it's been the best thing I've ever done in my life, or for my life. Lost 67 pounds in 4 months, and it feels better than I have, and since I was a kid. So really good stuff. And this is the way I got to eat. That's just why you got to break those things up really small, because the nut processor is kind of small, and there's 1 or 2 pieces in there that I'm going to break up smaller, but it's almost done. If you used a regular processor, it would already been done, regular food processor, but it's just awful big for 1 cup. Alright, so we got that done, and actually, I've already figured out this container on a regular nut chopper is about 1 cup of cauliflower. So we're going to empty that in a bowl. 1 cup of riced cauliflower. You can see there, just looks finer than rice actually. So that's the first thing we'll do, and then we're going to add to that 1/4 cup of egg substitute. Any egg substitute will do. I just buy the cheapest stuff. It all tastes the same to me. It may not to you, and if it doesn't, you can buy the more expensive. But I like, as long as it tastes good, why spend the more money? All right, so we got 1/4 cup of egg substitute. Got the 1 cup of riced cauliflower, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of a low-fat cheese, which Mexican cheese is what I use most time. And if you use it with the 2% milk, I'm not even recording. Yeah, I am. Look at that. It's my first time. I didn't know I was recording. I just want to make sure doing all this, and it was too late. I'll do it next time. But anyway, here it is recording. But as long as you're using a 2% milk, then that'll be fine. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of this cheese right there. Dump it in there. And then Mrs. Dash, no sodium, garlic and herb blend. We use 1/4 teaspoon of that seasoning. Not a whole lot, but you don't really need a whole lot. It's pretty good. All right. So then once you get all that in there, we're going to use our hands, take your rings off, and we're going to just mix it up really good. You're going to get that egg as the binding to all the cauliflower, and that cheese in there really good. You don't want any shredded cheese just hanging out somewhere. They may run off. You want them hanging all together. All right, so after you get that mixed up, Get it right there. Take your pan, and I've already sprayed it with the cooking spray, but you'll want to spray quite a bit of that cooking spray. It took me 5 or 6 times to do this before I learned how much to put on it so it doesn't stick. Anyway, so take your cauliflower pizza crust in the ball. I'm making 2 of them, so I'm doing one with this. This is 1 serving. I'm gonna do another in a second, so that's why I got the big pan. But just take all your cauliflower pizza crust there, and take it and just push it down with your hands. Keep it, if you can do it whatever shape you want it for your pizza, but just press it down in a circle, making it thinner and thinner. The thinner the better on this, since it is not a flour pizza. The thinner it is, the crispier it get, and I like it better that way. That way it doesn't taste like cauliflower. If it's thicker, it's going to taste more like cauliflower. And then that's it, right there. Put it in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 25-26 minutes, and you'll see it getting brown on the edges. And then pull it out. We're going to flip it very carefully. Put it back in for about 10 minutes, and you're ready to go.